Unraveling the Charm, Understanding Stunning Appearance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard quite a bit: stunning appearance. This phrase is not only popular but also powerful in conveying a strong message about how someone or something looks. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First, let's dissect the phrase, stunning appearance, into its two components, stunning and appearance. The word stunning means extremely impressive or attractive. It's a way to express that something is so beautiful or impressive that it almost shocks or surprises you. On the other hand, appearance refers to the way that someone or something looks. When we combine these words, we're talking about a look or presentation that is incredibly impressive or attractive to the point of capturing your full attention. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal writings. You might use stunning appearance to describe a person, a piece of art, a landscape, or even a well-designed product. For example, you could say, "The bride had a stunning appearance as she walked down the aisle," or, "The stunning appearance of the new art gallery has everyone talking." Remember, this phrase carries a strong emphasis on beauty and impressiveness, so it's perfect for situations where you really want to highlight these aspects. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use stunning appearance in sentences. When she entered the room, her stunning appearance left everyone speechless. The car's stunning appearance combined with its performance makes it a standout model. The stunning appearance of the sunset over the mountains was truly a sight to behold. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in different scenarios to express admiration and surprise. Thank you for watching our video on stunning appearance. We hope now you have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about learning new words but also about expressing emotions and impressions in a way that connects with others. So, the next time you're impressed by someone or something's look, don't hesitate to use stunning appearance. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English.